Hello, thank you and welcome to my page. I want to sincerely thank every one of you who have taken time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Godfrey Chi is a YouTube channel. I want to sincerely appreciate everyone for all that they have done. Watching the video, and I hope the video has been useful to our children, the students, and also what have we that has been watching those videos. I hope they've been useful to those people watching them. Now, the last video we shot was ordering of fractions. So this is to complement that. It's a question on the board here. Arrange in ascending order. Now we know that ascending order is taking numbers from the smallest to the what? To the highest. So we're taking numbers from the smallest number to the highest. And remember, in the video that I gave, the two previous videos, we talked about ordering of fractions. When they have same numerator, when they have same denominators, then when they have different numerators and different denominators. So I'm going to be ordering this fraction now, and I told us that when they have the same numerator, the one with the smallest fraction, smallest denominator is the biggest fraction. How? 1 pizza for 2, 1 pizza for 7, 1 pizza for 5, 1 pizza for 9, 1 pizza for 6, and 1 pizza for 8. Who eat more? 1 pizza for 2. These people will get the lion's share. So that means the biggest fraction here is 1 over 2. But we are arranging the fraction in ascending order. That means from the smallest to the biggest. And we know that the biggest denominator is the smallest fraction. So what do we have? 1 over 9. 1 over 9 is the smallest fraction, followed by what? 1 over 8. We have 1 over 8. That is the next, followed by what? 1 over 7. 1 over 7 is the next, then followed by what? 1 over 6. 1 over 6, then followed by what? 1 over 5. That is 1 over 5. Then 1 over 2 is the biggest fraction. So this fraction has been arranged in what? In ascending order. Now, that is how to arrange in ascending order. Now, what about when we have the same denominator? When we have the same denominator, how do we arrange that? I told us that when we have the same denominator, we are talking about test. 7 out of 8, 2 out of 8, 1 out of 8, 5 out of 8, and 6 out of 8. Which one is more? The person who got the more is what? 7 out of 8. That means the smallest fraction here is 1 out of 8. So 1 out of 8 is the smallest, followed by what? 2 out of 8. 2 out of 8. Followed by what? Followed by 5 out of 8. 5 out of 8. Followed by what? 6 out of 8. 6 out of 8. Then the highest is what? 7 out of 8. This is how to arrange the fraction when we have the same denominator. Now, how do we now arrange when they have different numerators and different denominators? Please note this. When we have different numerators and different denominators, what we do is try to place them under the same denominator. So I have 1 out of 3, I have 1 over 4, I have 3 over 8, I have 7 over 24, and I have 5 over 12. To place them under a common denominator, what do? Find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3, 4, 8, 24, and 12 is 24. How? Look at its biggest denominator. The biggest denominator here is 24. 12 can divide 24. 8 can divide in 24. 4 can divide 24. 3 can go in 24. That makes 24. the lowest term, the lowest common multiple. Now, how do we do? How many 3 do we see in 24? 8. 8 times 1 is 8. How many 4 do we see in 24? Is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. How many 8 do we see in 24? How many 8 do we see in 24? We see 3. 3 times 3 is 9. How many 24 do we see in 24? Is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. How many 12 do we see in 24? Is 2. 2 times 5 is what? 10. We are to arrange them from the what? Smallest to the biggest. So these numbers we have here, the smallest among them is 6, which is under 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 is the smallest out of this, followed by what? Followed by 7. Can you see 7? That is 7 over 24. 7 over 24, followed by what? 8, which is 1 over 3. After that, followed by what? 9, which is 3 over 8. Then followed by what? 5 out of 12. Somebody might want to say 7 out of this is bigger than this. But this placing them on a common denominator will help to arrange fractions when they have different numerator and different denominators. I hope this helps to buttress our previous video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.